What's up everyone and welcome back to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope that you are doing very well because yes, personally I was a bit sick and I'm really better right now. So today, important wave on Bitcoin, just a quick update to keep you informed on the situation on Bitcoin. We have some important moves right now. If this is a wave 2 or if this is not a wave 2, okay, just right there. If we can go more down, if we did the bottom, okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to leave your best like, to smash the like button. Also, if you want to join a cool community on Discord, you can just click on the link in the description of this video to join the Discord server, and we are good to go. So here we go. As you can see here, so I'm going to explain a bit in what we are right now. So 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5 waves. So bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, okay, with a strand wave 4, I know, but this is a flat and this is possible. Just check my previous video for this, okay. I explained the flat we did. Now, okay, now we are in a bigger wave 2 normally, okay. I say we are, but I don't predict the future. Maybe I'm completely wrong, okay. It's possible too, but I just I just use Elliott Wave, I just read the chart and I'm just using the Elliott Wave rules, okay. So here, normally ABC, 5 ways, 3 ways, and then 5 ways, so zigzag. We did the 5 ways to the downside, okay. Here, this is pretty cool. The bottom is here, but what can happen now, okay? The thing is, we have some 5 ways, possible 5 ways inside, okay. Really strange 5 ways, okay. That's not the game, okay. Market maker are not going to do, okay. 1 2 3 4 5, easy wave to determine, of course not. So we have some possible 5 ways, okay, inside. I'm pretty sure about that. Now the problem is, is that a wave 2 or are we going more down? So if this is a wave 2, because we have 5 way inside, the 5 way will be explained maybe with a possible flat we have here with a retracement, but not the 123, okay. That will be the stock retracement here, so 113, okay. That's a possible flat here. And in that case, because if you have a look, for example, for the possible flat here, so I'm going to hide some waves here, just right there. So it will be like an ABC here, okay. ABC. If you have a look at this, that's a possible flat, and look at what we exactly the chat here. This is a 161.8, but just perfectly, absolutely perfectly, and rejected. So that's a bit the prime. And if we did that, because if you have a look also, that will be a bigger WXY, okay. If you have a look at this, by the way, the C wave will finish here. And this is possible in the crypto market to finish also on the 113. It's not really common to do that, but it's possible, okay. So if we did that, that would just be a simple W here, okay, X retracement, and we are going to talk about the retracement and a Y leg, okay. So retracement of a WXY is minimum 38.2, okay. It can go maximum, it can retrace 100% maximum, okay. But if you have a look, this is also a perfect 38.2 retracement. So that's why there is 2 possible scenarios here, and it's gonna be decisive for Bitcoin if we go a bit more down or not, okay. In case we did a flat here, so I'm going to turn invisible, maybe change the template of this one, so maybe this one will be good, because, and that will explain also why we got 5 ways inside this wave to the upside here, okay. Targets are just perfect for this scenario, okay. So that's also why this one is really possible too, and that's the problem we have right now, okay. So in case we go we do this bearish, if I can say bearish on short term, okay, scenario here, the target expected, so I'm going to move this a bit more down here, okay. The target expected will be first the 61.8, just right there, so that will match with a bigger from the top to the bottom. 61.8, 66% retracement here, that are massive support levels. So we are maybe going to see a price around 38k, okay. This is clearly possible that we go there, okay. That will be the first target of the Y leg. Keep in mind that there is also target, okay. So I'm going to add red squares, okay, to show you the target of this. So first target 61.8, okay. Next target will be the 100%. If we go more down, next that will be the 123. This one is possible, okay, but that will be really low. It's possible for wave 2, as you can see. This wave 1 2, this one did a 90% retracement, so that will be a huge retracement on the wave 2. But this is the target, okay. So I'm not going to add the red square here because that would be too low in my opinion, but just keep in mind that this one is also possible, okay. So I'm going to remove this, okay. So yeah, massive support level also due to support we have here, low we have here, okay. We have some low here, and that our support level, okay. Now, okay, if we are not in this bearish scenario on short term, okay, I say short term because yes, this is short term. Long term, we are clearly bullish here. We are normally in, so I just deleted the wave, I think. Okay, yes. If we are bullish, normally we did the bottom here, okay? The retracement we did is common to do. Normally we have more chance to top between the 50 and the 61.8 retracement, just right there, as you can see here exactly. And we did went a bit more down, okay? But that's normal, you know, we just have more chance to stop between these two levels, okay? More chance with statistics. We can go more down, we can stop before, okay? That's clearly possible to do that, okay? So we can retrace maybe a bit more, 90%, and that's gonna be not valid anymore if we break the wave one beginning, okay? I'm not on the WXY scenario for now. It match with targets, like really that's crazy for real. Targets match, but it's just crazy. But yeah, that scenario I would prefer personally, because yeah, I would like to see something that go up and not go to the downside, okay? This is really boring, the moment we have. I mean, this wave was really boring. This wave here is really boring. I mean, less boring than this, okay? But it's still boring, okay? So yeah, I would like to see a price. I would like to see a price that go to the upside right now, okay? So in case we are in this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, what can we expect now? Okay, so the wave 3 most common target, okay? So first take profit will be the first target with the 100%, but the most common target is a 161.8, okay? So if you feel it along from here, for example, and you bet more on the 1, 2, 3, or 5 and not the WXY, that is really risky here. And personally not in a long on Bitcoin, but on Cardano. Cardano is just crazy, really crazy here. But anyway, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, most common target is a 161.8, can go to that's just statistics, you know, it's like the retracement we did here. For example, here we can, if we go higher than the 161.8, the next target will be the 200%, then the 261.8, sorry, and then the last possible target will be the 423.6, except if we do an extension. In that case we'll go really more really higher, and we will try to find the top with smaller waves inside this wave 3, okay? So we're gonna stay with common target in this video as always, okay? So 161.8 most common target. Then what can we expect on the wave 4 after a bigger retracement? After a big retracement on the wave 2, a big retracement, we can expect a 38.2 retracement, okay? So still have to be just statistics, you know. I'm just doing that with common targets, you know. We have to be inside also to determine the bottom here, but we cannot break the wave 1 top if that is a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, okay? Because that can be also an ABC, for example. If we didn't do the flat, but we really did the 5 waves here, I'm just going to delete this and add once again the waves here, just to show you 3 here, 4, and then the wave 5 here. Just gonna change the template really quickly to minor. Perfect. So for example, if we did the A bottom here, this is also possible that we are in an ABC. For example, the W will be here, okay? So W, or I must W, then the X wave, okay? We don't have any wave 4 and 5 because that will be a zigzag, okay? A, B, C zigzag with 5 waves on the first wave. That will explain also the 5 waves we have inside. Then the correction wave, and then 5 waves to the upside, okay? So pay attention to it, and target are not the same, okay? We have the 100% 2, the 161.8, but for the ABC we have also the 61.8 and the 123, okay? And we cannot go higher than the 161.8 normally. And after this a while lag, okay? So this is clearly possible, and in that case that will not be this 1, 2, 3, or 5, but an ABC, okay? With a maximum target of on the 161.8, okay? So pay attention to these two. That's why we are in an important wave right now, and this is really important, the move we are currently doing, okay? So I'm just going to move to put back this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say if we are bullish, okay, that will be the wave 5 target, okay? I mean, the first target will be the 61.8 just right there, but the double top is not really common to do, so we have to go to the next target, and more of it is the 100% is the most common target for the wave 5. Then if we don't stop here, we have a chance to go to the 161.8, that is the next target, and then maximum to the 261.8, okay? Pay attention on the RSI, because the RSI, the wave 3 have to be the highest on the RSI and not the wave 5. The wave 5 has to be lower than the wave 3 top on the RSI, okay? If we are higher on the wave 5, this is just a wave 3 and not a wave 5 yet, okay? Yeah, that was just a quick update on Bitcoin because we are in important move right now. And so yeah, that's all for today. Hope you really enjoy this content. Hope you really enjoy this update. And yeah, feel free to like the video. Feel free to comment if you want to comment the video. If you want to join the Discord server, join the Discord server. And yeah, take care of you. Don't forget your stop loss. This is extremely important because, for example, for this trade here, if you are in a long and you think about these 5 waves, the stop loss will be below the wave 1 beginning. Okay, just right there on the bottom here. So yeah, pay attention to this. Don't forget your stop loss. And yeah, see you next time.